ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Hakisin meningkong ke Don Bosco Youth Center hapok gajing pejing kami jong director Father Michael Makri ringkat beru assistant professor jong St Anthony's College Shillong uba Jacob Shilla klashim ya kasin jam ban ai ke free coaching class di Samla Puli ke bidang Pynkhreh ke Eksamin Central University entrance test bala penlong man la kasing sejan Don Bosco Youth Center la Pynkhreh Shillong. Hagajing kran uba Jacob Shilla uleh thu ke malai spangot ki Samla ke bala penrong kerteng yalade hagar ke coaching class dek buan poi kilong tang ars pangot AA. Nakaliang joki kat tu kat ni ki Samla Puli kliat hu bakan ke coaching class kalai rap shibon niki bak kila yoro shibon ke jing mentoy.
I would say that first of all I didn't know much about the procedure to study and how to write, so through these classes Sir Jacob, Shulai and other has arranged, I think I learned a lot, and some parts which I wasn't sure, he really made me confident about them, and he has helped me with many things like the exam centers, like format, the OMR, CPT base. I think I've learned about them, and I feel like I'm a bit more confident now. I'm not facing any of those problems because I think I'm blessed. I say I'm blessed, but yeah, I guess there's no problems for me right now. But studying is the main issue. It's difficult to get motivation, but I'm trying my best.
Right now, I'm waiting for my 12th result. I'm so grateful and thankful for Father for giving us this opportunity to learn more about CUET. Since it is a hybrid mode, he has asked Sir Jacob a lot for our help. Well, yes, it is difficult, but without help, we go to the NCRT site and study there, like through online mode. It helps a lot by coming here, because like if I would not come here, I wouldn't know like how to engage in like computer mode. So with the OMR sheet we are quite familiar, but with computer mode like it's the first time, so it's challenging. But with Father help and Sir Jacob, we are able to accomplish that.
Kay rap hai nei tu hot nama ba Father we Sir Jacob long kilai ko valong ka pen and paper bat ka computer ru je ka ba kham kon san nang di computer nama computer ka kam di bu ki step ki ve shuai ko blai Father we Sir Jacob nama ba long kilai platform nama lo ki ru di ba kam di platform ka pang ban yarap ni lo ki ban yele le ka suiti ban ni la le ba bi pen and paper la ka computer base ru. Okay. Nama kini ki coaching class so long nama lo mikir long kin hap. Ini hi kum nom na la diru te kabahas pala de la da nakikila bikin nai nama sepakarang di first time kan ka fees so ka kamram ni ngaso ini wi coaching class te ka biang na daki I free ru kum bo Father ni tambah ka dekaris fi ko nama itu kan ba mo mikir long kin absen pala jong hi bikin training dia tak tahu lah lagi free ru kapiang tama lagi show bisa ru long apa ni tadi tak tahu maksud dah. Okay. Kini persan man create na diru so jika perlu lah hai ki website ban inyo ki free books so online yo wan pulih te mini ti preparation tang able hi long line na ke ba so jika bi kai class apa hi na yang
one hat kani ka training juga CUET ba yo ngai ha ka free coaching class tenga yo shubun ki chung toy ha ka chung sha ngala du chikanan bangan wan bangan yo ban tho ya ka CUET handai ublem shina ino yang ni ki ba pun ki ba jinjar no ki yo ya ka lat ma ki wan ba na kani ka training walang yo tang kan dia ko le mus tho ba ni shubun ki chung toy na puli ha Samla high secondary school ngale commerce stream ngadang apa di sana. Nado bangate bangidang ni hapan apia biang ni CUET dan yo di sana tengah Pressure hi wan shukre hi daladi kabala haka jisha nga smuting namar baki ong baka city ka eba namar ka long kulum lang ya baro and re nadu bangawan nakani ka training tengas thu bangala pande shanya oble ki baro karakabana.
Next, you'll have to use the virtual keyboard. Virtual keyboard, you'll see the keyboard on the screen, and you'll have to use that virtual keyboard in order to do your test. That's why we're going to practice using the virtual keyboard. So far, then after you take another round, you take the round, you then how much time it has taken for you to get a new password.
Hello, my name is Jacob Schiller. I am an assistant professor in the Department of English at St. Anthony's College. And we started giving these free tutorials of coaching to CUET UG aspirants after I was invited by Father Pynkhreh, who is in charge of the Don Bosco Youth Center. This is a very, very good initiative taken up by Father Pynkhreh in order to provide students with an opportunity to become familiar with the CUET UG format. And in the last 4 weeks, every Saturday, we've been meeting from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock for coaching. And so what we have done in the last 4 weeks is we have provided students with a guidance on how to prepare. So we have taught them about the format. So we have taught them the pen and paper format. We have taught them the computer-based test format. We have also helped students to become familiar with the question pattern. And we've also helped them to also understand how to read. So we've provided them with links to free resources, free lectures, and free notes that they can download. And in this way, what we've done is we have given them an opportunity to prepare for the CUET UG without spending a lot of money. So by accessing the ncrt.nic.in link, they are able to download all the textbooks that they need for the CUET UG exams. And then also when they go to the NCRT website, they're able to also access free notes and extra reading materials, and also free NCRT videos on YouTube. And these videos help students to learn more about the subjects that they are studying. So at Dbyc, what Father Pynkhreh has done is that he has opened the doors to all the students who are able to come. And so we've had about 200 students joining us every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. And we have always had a full class. They come with a lot of eagerness, a lot of curiosity, and a lot of hope. So today is the last day that will be providing the coaching to the students. We have provided free materials to them in PDF format, also videos that we have prepared to help them to study, also to become familiar with the pen and paper and the CBT test format. Okay, so I think as far as I know, this is the first time that coaching classes for CUET UG has been conducted. There are other colleges that are also conducting CUET PG guidance for their students. But as far as the CUET UG is concerned, I have not heard of many communities or many organizations or many schools conducting such kind of coaching. So it is important for us because I think, looking at the way things are developing, CUET UG is going to be more and more difficult as the years go by. So what will happen is that we might have more challenging questions. So it will be wonderful if organizations, NGOs, schools, and other communities can come together and provide such kind of coaching, whether it is free or maybe at a very minimal price, to enable students to get access to these training and to these coachings. Okay, so the CUET exams will be held from the 15th of May to the 24th of May. From the 15th of May till the 18th of May, the pen and paper format will be conducted, and on the 21st, 22nd, and 24th, the computer-based test will be conducted. So this is as per the latest NTA notifications that we have received from its website, and this information has been conveyed to the students. And so today what we have done is we have separated the 200 students into two different groups. We had 130 students who will be appearing in the pen and paper format, and another 30 to 40 students will be appearing in the CBT test format. For this year, from what we can understand, the CUT UG test could be manageable. I say manageable because we have seen the question pattern, so students are familiar with the question pattern to a certain extent. Students coming from schools which have NCERT's curriculum as their curriculum are familiar with some of the test subjects that they will be, test questions that they will be facing. But students coming from other boards which do not have the NCERT textbooks and curriculum may find some problems. So because of that, what we've done is we have made the textbooks, NCERT textbooks, freely available to the students by directing them to the ncert.nic.in website. Now, the students are very hopeful. They are working very hard, very sincere. We also understand that there are some students who come from the rural areas. They might be facing some problems because, first of all, they need access to computers so that they'll be able to access the materials, the reading materials. They will need access to the internet so that they will be able to download these materials. So some of them might be facing a little bit of a problem. But what we have done at Dbyc through Father Makreh's initiative is that he has opened the lab to them, and they can, any student who would like to prepare for the CUT UG can walk into the lab and make use of any of the computer systems that are here under the supervision of Father Pynkhreh. And so this is what we have done today. We have seen some students who are very new, they have never used a computer before. So we have taught them how to use the mouse, how to access the internet, and how to answer questions. So on the whole, I see these 200 students who have come, they look very hopeful, they're very positive, they're working very hard. And they're asking a lot of questions, which are also very good because we're able to give them guidance and appropriate guidance at the same time. So they are working very hard. They are downloading materials. They are asking questions. So I know that they will try their best.